Welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. My name is Ian, and today we're going over this 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan 411 with only 970 miles. This bike is available at the date of this video post here at AlphaCars. You can view the listing on our website. The link is at the top of the description below. There you can view all the technical data on this bike, as well as the current availability and the pricing. In this video, we're going to do a full condition overview of this bike, as well as go over some of the nice accessories it has. Keep in mind, we do offer vehicle transportation as well, and you can browse the rest of our extensive inventory, mostly new and slightly used Royal Enfields, on our website as well. With all that being said, let's get into the video. First, I will say this bike is in almost new condition. It was clearly treated very well since it was new. It really speaks for itself. But let's start out by going over the accessories. First off, this seat, you can see it's a sort of ribbed design. It's very comfortable, and it's the Hitchcock Motorcycles rider's seat. And this is both parts, so it's the pillion part on the back, as well as the main rider's seat. You can buy them individually, but this bike has both, so it's ready to go. Great value there. This bike also has a master cylinder guard, this guard here, so then your boot or your shoe doesn't hit on the master cylinder behind there, and it says Himalayan, which is pretty cool. This also has the Royal Enfield Performance Muffler. We've got great feedback on this piece. We actually sell them here along with a ton of other accessories on our online store, so do check that out. That link is in the description below if you want to maintain or upgrade your Royal Enfield motorcycle. We have hundreds and hundreds of parts in stock. But what I was saying is we do sell this piece. It sounds awesome. We have only gotten great feedback from all the people who put them on their Scrams in Himalayan, so that's cool. This bike already has that. It has an LED Projector Headlight, aftermarket piece here, high quality though, and it does have sort of like a halo daytime running light, adds to the bike's visibility both during the day and at night. And lastly, it does have a small bar rise on it. You can see the extra piece in there. So it does bring the handlebars up just a little bit, makes the bike a bit more comfortable, especially depending on like your height and your arm length. But really, no matter what, it's going to make the bike more comfortable, give you some more leverage and control as well. And it looks factory. The pieces used there, it's a pretty standard way to do the bar rise, very strong and sturdy. So now on the condition of the bike, like I said, there's not a whole lot to go over. Like even all the chrome, you can see the spokes, the brake rotors, they're all very clean. Like there's no corrosion or rust or anything like that. Checking out the chain back here, we did do a chain service on it just to clean, freshly lubricate it, and have it adjusted properly. There was nothing really to worry about when the bike came in. We just wanted to do that to set it back to square one and have it ready to go for the next rider. And yeah, we can even see over here, rear brake, once again. Brakes and tires, you can view the remaining life on our website, but they're all like 80 or 90% material remaining with the bike's low mileage. And really anywhere else you look on the bike, the fit and finish and the surfaces, even the windscreen here, there's no like hazing or scratching or anything, as well as the instrument cluster, which now we'll take a look here. We'll confirm the mileage. The bike does have 2 keys, and you can see 900, it just rolled over 971.0, literally just riding it to our showroom from our shop. And it's even, looks like it has a full tank of gas there. And one-touch operation, we'll start it right up. Fuel injection doing its thing. Cold start, you can see here. And the bike is cold, but I'll give it some very, very soft revs. So there you could hear the throw the exhaust and just see the exhaust is nice and clean on the cold start. And yeah, not a whole lot more to show on this Himalayan. It's almost like you're able to get a new one from the showroom floor. It's almost that nice. It really is that nice. It fits right in with the rest of our new bikes. And there is definitely a rider. There's a big group of riders that do look for these 411 bikes still. They prefer them to the newer 450s, and they're still, you know, an awesome bike, especially awesome value. So check out our listing on our website, alphacars.com. If you are interested in this bike, reach out to the information on the screen or contact us via the form on the website through the listing. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Do leave a like on the video if it was helpful, and subscribe for future motoring content.